drawing a cute snowy house.
Sing, little birds.
First, we draw our house in simple black and white.
Sorrow show. Clap your tiny hands, tap your little feet. Dance to the song, though the world's not sweet. Twirl in the sunlight that hides behind gray. Hum the tune the grown-ups say. Close your eyes, breathe the night. Smile, little birds, everything's alright.
Don't worry if it's not perfect. Every line you make is special.
The hearts that are not kind. One last note, one final rhyme. Then sleep, little birds, for all of time.
Step by step, and have fun with it.
A dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Remember, art is about having fun. Every color and every line is your creativity showing.
Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Merrily, life is but a dream. Your boat gently down the stream. Gently down the stream. Merrily, life.
Look at that snow falling gently. Isn't it magical?
is but a dream.
If you love this snowy house, subscribe and join me for more fun drawing adventures. Now, let's make our lines bold and strong. Keep practicing and never give up. Every drawing you make is special.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The wheels on the bus. Yeah! The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep.
You did an amazing job!
Town.
Time to color!
The wheels on the bus. Yeah!
We add warm browns, orange, and yellow to the house.
People on the bus
Green and brown to the trees, and soft blues to the mountains.
down. The people on the bus go up and